Bill Goudy checking in. I'm with Bill Goudy Jr. We're in Florida. I heard someone, I think it was the Lucky Bastard. Yeah, that's his channel name. And it's a real deal too. It's a real deal. I thought maybe he was a, what do they call them, troll? But no, he's got a real channel. I'll put his link down below. Check him out. But he wanted me and Bill Goudy Jr. to see if we could, what type and how many types of fish, different types of fish we could catch. And he said including the peacock bass. And what do you know about peacock bass?
I think they're a little further south than we are, so. But
we're in central Florida, up around the Winter Haven area. So, hey, if peacock bass bites, these ours. We'll catch them. So I don't know, but they say the crappie are biting right now. We call them crappie. They call them speckled perch down here. They're not even a perch family, but oh well. We're gonna get some fuel and our fishing license and all that kind of stuff, and then we're just gonna check it out tonight and then maybe hit it tomorrow. You think?
Yeah.
All right, come along with us. The adventure continues.
Just barren looking down
What I'm doing, I'm just doing a night crawler with a couple split shots on a hook, and I'm baited it long and just a natural. I'm just fishing for anything that'll bite. And I found this technique to work everywhere. It's just a natural presentation. Bill Goudy Jr. is using bass lures.
And I got the whole tackle box tied on.
I
don't know what's going on yet, so we're just trying to figure it out.
Well, we've ripped a few lips, but not the kind of lips that Bill Goudy Jr. wants. I got a few catfish in the live well there, but I'll tell you what, bass fishing is tough. It is tough right now. Of course, here we are in the middle of the day, and we got to go now. And we're fishing during the toughest time. We're not fishing in the morning. We're not fishing in the evening. We're fishing through the middle of the day. And hey, what can I say? At least I caught supper. Check it out.
There are even more tentacles here, and I think things are going to get a lot messier, a lot harder for the president as this investigation continues.
All right, check in, Andrew. Thanks to both of you. There's also a shakeup tonight.
Taken from Toyland Pet Resort. The county stepped in to take the dogs when they found them in deplorable conditions. The county says the dogs are doing much better now.
They're starting to settle in.
Will you look at that? That's 8:36 p.m. It has been a long, long day. Look. Yeah. The last little bit is being cooked. That 3-2-1 coating always gets darker than the regular coating. Will you look at that? That's a bluegill fillet. Look. Just look at that. Oh, it looks so good. Let's try that out, shall we? I'm telling you. It don't get any better. Let's try this catfish. Oh, that's bluegill. Here's catfish. That's catfish right there. Let's try that. That's good. Yeah, and I take a little crap because I put pepper on my cottage cheese. But I'll tell you what, I'm not mixing it up. I mix it up. There's not near. No. Look at that, will you? Will you look at that? Cottage cheese. And some black pepper. Oh, that's so good. I don't care. I don't care if you're in Florida or if you're in Illinois. That catfish is awesome. In a vessel of amber fluid. That is so good. Bill Goudy out for now.